Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I will be doing a unboxing demo kind of thingy. Got this product from Influenster and this is DevaCURL Super Stretch, and hence why I am looking all different like this. I really wanted this to be a video where I could debut my natural hair. It didn't go as planned. This is the product, DevaCURL Super Stretch Coconut Curl Elongator Define and Control. It's sulfate and paraben silicone free. I will leave any other info on it in the description box. It tells you that if you have super curly hair and you want to stretch your curls, like, you can do this without losing the definition. I will say that that is actually true, even though my hair did not come out as I wanted it to. After pulling out my twists, what I did, I wash and I twist, and I will show you. I'll have all little demo videos as you go along, and you'll see my process that I did to get to this. Even though it didn't turn out how I wanted to, the product is actually good. It smells amazing. Actually a great product. It's lightweight, it's not heavy, it's very amazing on my hair. I actually love the product. I'm just disappointed with how my curls came out. My style actually, not my curls, how the style came out. The curls are actually great. But let me not blab anymore, just keep on watching and you'll see how I get to this hot mess. Right here I'm putting the product on my hair while I twist my hair. So basically I'm twisting the product in my hair, and then I will leave this to self dry. This is the actual length of my hair. I started to twist the back, and then it's all shrinked up. So I'm just gonna be using the Garnier Sleek and Shine as my oil, and this is the first time I'm actually doing a twist out like this, so I don't know what it's gonna look like, but so this is one. I don't believe I did them tight enough, but for the most part, hey. So I'm just, oil is still on my hand by the way, so I'm just rubbing that in and untwisting them. Okay you guys, so after unraveling the twists, I was trying for a particular style. I don't think this is it. This is not it. Twists, I pulled them out a little bit too loose than I wanted to, so they are not as defined as I wanted them to be. However, the product, the DevaCURL Super Stretch, it is for some reason I think I was expecting them to be not so shrink, like you see how my hair is shrink, because this is the actual length of my hair. I thought I was gonna get more length with the curls. I didn't know it was gonna be that short, like it was gonna shrink it that much, because since it said super stretch, I thought I would have gotten more length. However, I will say maybe it depends on your hair type, so I think it has to do with my hair type. The product itself, the product is very lightweight. It's not heavy. My hair doesn't feel like it's heavy or like it's overpowering. The product is not overpowering on my hair. This product is formulated with coconut oil and coconut water, hence why it is so lightweight. What else did they say about the curls? The curls will keep its definition, and that is true. The curls, the definition of the curls, they are there. It's just that I pulled some of them out, and then the styling did not go as I wanted. So as you can see right here, they are indeed defined, and like if you stretch it, I do get the length, but it's just that they're a little bit scrunch. I'm gonna try and remake this look and do the curls thicker instead of so fine. So the only thing I'm disappointed with is how I style the hair and how I pull the curls out. This is the very first time I'm actually showing my hair on camera like this with you guys. So I wanted it to be perfect, but it's not. But I decided I wanted to come on and show you guys, just because you cannot always be perfect. You will not get everything how you want it at all the time. Everything will not be spotless. Let me know what you guys think about it. And again, I got the product for free from Influenster. You guys can go over and sign up with Influencer. I'll leave their information in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, and